Ekta Divas National Unity Day. Ekta Divas is celebrated on 31st October every year in India. It marks the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Patel is known as the Iron Man of India. He played a key role in the unity of India after independence. The day reminds us of the importance of national unity and integrity. People take part in the run for unity on this day. The world's tallest Statue of Unity, is dedicated to Sardar Patel. The Statue of Unity in Gujarat, dedicated to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, is 182 meters 597 feet tall. Ekta Divas inspires us to stay united despite diversity. It is a day to honor Sardar Patel's vision of a strong and united India. For more videos, subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like it and share to your friends and family members. Thanks for watching.